Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever. Hello, it's the 14th of July. We're halfway through July. Does that mean we're halfway through summer now? It's bonkers. And we've barely had any sun. I mean, the rain again this week has been... it's been cold as well. I've had my hoodie back on. I don't know, that was more like a hat, but I had a hoodie on, not a hat, a hoodie. Yeah, it's been chilly this week. But anyway, it's the football final today, and probably by the time you're watching this, the final would have happened. And hopefully England have won. Fingers crossed they can bring it home, and Gareth Southgate can have a little bit of redemption for missing his penalty in 1996. That features in here somewhere. The quiz is fairly England, Spanish, and football themed, shall we say. Excuse me. Anyway, we'll get that in a sec. No cryptic conundrum today either because it was really busy yesterday. So we've got a quiz coming up here on the 24th of July. We've still got a couple of tables left, so if you fancy a quiz and supper, please give us a call. We'll get you booked in. Next week, Tuesday, on the 4th, no, this is 17th, this is the 14th today. On the 16th, so in a couple of days, we've got our first movie night of the summer. We're showing Mamma Mia. If you give us a call, we can book you a table. It's screening at 7 o'clock. So if you wanted to come at 6 and have some food beforehand, you can do that. But yeah, our big screen in the outside in is working well. We showed the football on Wednesday, the semi-final. Obviously, we've got the football on tonight as well. So yeah, if you fancy Mamma Mia, and then in a couple of weeks' time, we've got Dirty Dancing. We've got plenty going on. Head to the website aldringandparrot.com to find out exactly what we've got going on over the summer. In Thorpe Ness, we've opened a pop-up shop behind the Dolphin where we used to have the village shop. We've opened this shop. It's going to be for a couple of months over the summer. It is very just like everyday basics, household items that you need. You're not going to be able to do your full shop there by any means, but you can go there and get your croissants in the morning, your bread, your milk, we've got cheese, toilet roll, that sort of thing, fruit and veg, drinks. So yeah, the shop has popped back up in Thorpe Ness. But anyway, I've waffled enough. Let's get into the quiz. Okay, question 1. Baddiel and Skinner recorded 3 Lions in 1996 with which band? Just listening to that song gives me goosebumps. I love it. Question 2. What does Buenos Dias translate to from Spanish? Buenos Dias. Question 3. In Fawlty Towers, what was the name of the waiter from Barcelona? You can see how loose this is connected to Spain and football. Question 4. What is the name of the mountain range between Spain and France? Question 5. What is the name of the British overseas territory on Spain's south coast? Question 6. In which stadium did England win the 1966 World Cup? Question 7. What was the name of the New Order song that was England's 1990 World Cup song? I think that makes sense. Question 8. What is the name of the Spanish sausage that is flavoured with paprika? Question 9. Who did England lose to when Gareth Southgate missed his penalty in Euro 1996? Question 10. Which actress starred in the movies House of Gucci, Hitman's Bodyguard, and Grown Ups? Which actress? Question 11. Which Spanish city is known for its medieval streets in its Gothic quarter? I haven't been there. I would like to get there. Question 12. The cross of who makes the English flag? I mean, everyone's going to get this right, right? Come on. Question 13. Sweet Caroline can be heard at football stadiums all over the country, but who sung the song? Question 14. What was Spain's currency before joining the euro? Question 15. What number did David Beckham have on his shirt when playing for England? Question 16. In which decade did Match of the Day first air? Question 17. Which two primary colours make the Spanish flag? Question 18. Which 1981 movie saw many of the Ipswich Town football club players cast in the roles for the movie? Question 19. Which sitcom ran for 10 seasons starring Johnny Vegas, Steve Pemberton and Sheila Reid over the years? I don't know if they were all in it for all 10 seasons, but they were in it at some point. And question 20. Who was the Prime Minister when England won the World Cup? And that's it. That is your 20 questions, all done and dusted. I've already told you about what we've got going on at the pub, so I don't really need to do that now. I normally save that for the middle. But you can hit that subscribe button whilst you're watching. And remember to leave your scores and comments below. What else have I got to tell you about? I don't know. Christmas? We've got Christmas menus available. We've had people booking for Christmas Day, which is cool. People booking for Christmas parties. The menus are available if you want to come and have a look. They'll go on the website in August sometime. It's just a little bit too early, and that's something coming from me, believe me. I'm singing Christmas songs every day. Nothing else to tell you. I can't think of anything off the top of my head. Let's just get into the answers. Let's do it. Okay, question 1. Baddiel and Skinner recorded 3 lines in 1996 with which band? It was the Lightning Seeds. Question 2. What does Buenos Dias translate to from Spanish? It means good morning. Question 3. In Fawlty Towers, what was the name of the waiter from Barcelona? He was Manuel. Pat's making some noise in the kitchen. Question 4. What is the name of the mountain range between Spain and France? It's the Pyrenees. Question 5. What is the name of the British overseas territory on Spain's south coast? It's Gibraltar. Question 6. In which stadium did England win the World Cup in 1966? It was Wembley. Question 7. What was the name of the New Order song that was England's 1990 World Cup song? It was World in Motion. Question 8. What is the name of the Spanish sausage that is flavoured with paprika? It's chorizo. Question 9. Who did England lose to when Gareth Southgate missed his penalty in Euro 96? We lost to Germany, of course. Question 10. Which actress starred in movies The House of Gucci, Hitman's Bodyguard, and Grown Ups? It's Salma Hayek. It's Spanish, obviously. Question 11. Which Spanish city is known for its medieval streets and Gothic quarter? It's Barcelona. Question 12. The cross of who makes the English flag? St. George. Question 13. Sweet Caroline can be heard at football stadiums all over the country, but who sung the song? Neil Diamond. Question 14. What was Spain's currency before joining the euro? It was the peseta. Question 15. What number did David Beckham have on his shirt when playing for England? Number 7. Question 16. In which decade did Match of the Day first air? It was in the 60s, 1964 to be exact. Question 17. Which two primary colours make the Spanish flag? Red and yellow, and they also have a coat of arms on the flag as well. Question 18. Which 1981 movie saw many of the Ipswich Town Football Club players cast in the role for the movie? It was Escape to Victory. Question 19. Which sitcom ran for 10 seasons starring Johnny Vegas, Steve Pemberton and Sheila Reid over the years? It was Benidorm. And question 20. Who was the Prime Minister when England won the World Cup? Harold Wilson. That's it, guys. That's your 20 questions, all done and dusted. Hopefully, I pray I will be watching the match here in the outside in. Hopefully, England bring it home. Anyway, please leave your scores and comments below. I'll be back here next week. I'll see you later. Goodbye. Come on, England.